Today, we'll draw fireworks. Fireworks celebrate the coming of the new year and are often held at fun, lively annual events. So let's draw an etagami with colorful fireworks. You should choose the colors based on your own feelings, but we won't be using any ink. Also, you'll want to make sure that the fireworks take on a round shape when you're done with them. Painting the purple of the sky over the gansai paints sure can be nerve-wracking. But rest assured, once the gansai paints dry, they won't bleed. Let's give it a try.
Consider space for your message and decide where the center of your fireworks will be. Without using ink, start drawing from the center with the coloring brush. Use as many colors as you like for the fireworks. It will be easier if you keep turning the card while drawing. Keep in mind you're making a circular shape and add more lines to make it bigger. Wash the brush well when changing the colors. For the trail of the fireworks, using white pigment mixed with the bright yellow works well. By so doing, when painting over it with the night sky color, the lines will stand out, adding some three-dimensional effects. When the picture dries to some extent, paint a faint purple mixed with deep blue in the center of the firework with the coloring brush. Finally, on the outer part of the fireworks, add deep blue with the coloring brush.
We're all done. How did your night sky come out? I think that the fireworks in the sky signify everyone's wishes for the new year. The message written this time is Happy New Year. See you soon!